In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Beehiiv URL step by step, so you can update your newsletter web address quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but there are a few details you need to pay attention to so you don't run into errors with your new Slug. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your account and publication options. After that, click on Domains. This section controls the custom and default web addresses connected to your Beehiiv publication. Now, scroll down until you find the Beehiiv Subdomains section. Here, you'll see your current web URL displayed. This is the URL you're going to update. Next to the web URL, click Edit. Beehiiv will then allow you to type in your new URL slug. Make sure you choose something clean, simple, and easy to remember. When entering the new URL, keep in mind that Beehiiv only allows letters, numbers, and hyphens. Do not use spaces, special characters, or symbols, because that can cause the update to fail. If you want your URL to look professional, try to keep it short and brand friendly. Once you've entered the new slug, double check it carefully before moving forward. This is important because your newsletter link is part of your brand identity, and you want it to be easy for readers to recognize and share. After confirming that everything looks correct, click Confirm. Beehiiv will now process the change and update your URL. In some cases, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Once the update is complete, your new Beehiiv URL should be active and ready to use. You can refresh the page or check the updated link to make sure everything went through successfully. And that's it. You now know how to change your Beehiiv URL in just a few quick steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.